Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Some time back, we had told that we will make some videos regarding some companies which started small, later grew very big because of the insight and hard-working nature of the promoters. Today, we are covering one more company. Our idea is not to promote this company nor requesting people to invest in it. It's only to say that the company has grown big because of the insight and because of the hard-working nature of the promoters. Donear company was started by late Vishwanath Agarwal, who was a textile trader for 18 years. In the 1970s, Vishwanath Agarwal saw huge potential in the textile sector, but he realized that there were a lot of challenges faced by the sector too. Since he was an experienced person, he was a board member of some textile companies. He decided to benefit from the huge opportunity in the textile business by starting his own company called Donear Industries in 1977 in Mumbai. Now the company is run by the founders' two sons, Rajendra and Ajay Agarwal, and their sons. This is a picture of the founders. Donear follows both B2B and B2C business models. B2B supplies fabrics to other clothing brands such as Louis Phillips, Van Heusen, Peter England, Blackberry, Arvind, Future Group, etc. B2C manufactures and sells finished products under its own brand. The company has a production capacity of around 55 lakh meters per month at its Surat factory. Its other manufacturing plant is in Silvassa. It has a network of more than 290 wholesalers and 12,000 retailers to sell its products under the D-Cot and Donear NXG brands. Its fashion brands are Donear Suiting and Shirting, Royal Classico, Donear Cottons, Ferrino, Mizoni, etc. Donear exports its fabrics to more than 30 countries. To promote its products, Donear has tied up with various celebrities in the past such as Amitabh Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan, etc. In 2020, Donear invested rupees 10 crores on textile technology for developing antiviral fabric. Antiviral fabric was launched towards the end of 2020. This product helps in not transmitting COVID through fabrics or clothes. Now, bonus and split history of Donear company. Bonus, December 1997, 1:1, 2000, 1:1, 2005, 1:1, stock split 2006, and 10 rupees became 2 rupees. Coming to some fundamental facts, lifetime high 237, 52 weeks high 42, 52 weeks low 19, current price 31, market cap 162 crores, and this is a small cap company. For an investor, 1 year returns 51%, 5 year returns 2%, 14-year returns negative returns. And something very important to note, all the people to note again, 10,000 invested in December 2006 in Donear has become 1,441 now. Most of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel members think that when I talk about a particular company that I'm recommending it. I am just talking about this particular company only to tell you how a company which started small has become big now. The Donear Industries financials, 2018, 13 crore profit, 14 crore profit next year 11 crore. Last year, there was a loss of 10 crores. As I said very clearly, this particular video is only to show you about a model of a company and not that you should buy this company. If you are not the member of Dr. Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button, bell icon, like the video, press like button, send this video to all your friends, let them also understand how a company can be started And my dear friends, and if the video is good, in the comment section put good. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.